Well, here's a bit of excitement from Qlik, an early Christmas present, the ability to use script editor, data load editor history. Let's have a look at how it works. So one of the first things you'll see, there's a new tab, and that tab shows you all of the versions that you've got before. So version 1 of this app I built yesterday, if I just click on that, I can restore it directly. And each of the changes I made subsequent to that have been recorded there. You can see I did a restore just for practice before. So I can rename the version, I can download it, I can restore it, or I can delete it. It makes good sense to rename it here before you download it, just to make life simple. That's what the script looks like when it comes down. You'll see the / and then the name of the tab. That's stuff that we used to see in QlikView many years ago. All in all, it's very user-friendly and makes lots of sense and will save us a lot. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much. This short one. Have a great break at the end of the year.